Hello, welcome once again to our channel. My name is Rexsam, the Solar Doctor. If today is the first time of watching my video, kindly click on the subscription button. By subscribing, you'll be getting the latest updates concerning solar energy. In this channel, we teach you how you can start up your solar business and how you can do your installation on your own. We teach you from the scratch to a professional level. You will learn every detail that is meant for you in solar energy. Today we have a topic to discuss, which is how you can identify your broken panels. How do we identify our solar panel and what makes it unfunctional? So what makes the system not to function? Probably because your panel is not generating enough energy. For you to watch this video to the details, kindly subscribe to my channel and equally drop your on the comment section there are things you need to know concerning this topic. I want to let you know that when a panel is given to you, you need to be sure that it is working before you start your installation. By doing so, it will help you to avoid the risk of mounting it and dismounting it when the system fails. When you actually know what the system is all about, you know the calculation you made at the first place, and you know what you want to achieve through your installation. So the first thing you do is to cross-check your panel by knowing whether it is broken or it is completely in order. First, every broken panel has the ability to generate little energy, but once it is totally damaged, you cannot see any voltage coming out from it. So for you to do this, you need a measuring instrument, and one of those measuring instruments you need to detect the fault of your solar panel is your multimeter. When you have your multimeter, you should be able to detect if this panel is giving out output. When I talk about the output, I mean the voltage and the charging current. Then on the physical appearance of your panel, you should be able to detect if the panel is okay or not. You should be able to know if the panel can work or not. By visually looking at your panel, you should know that this panel is bad or good. I want to show you the sample of what a complete panel is and also show you a broken panel so that you can compare it and contrast and see how to identify them whenever you see them in the field. Like I said, this is a complete 280 watt solar panel, and this solar panel is made up of cells. How do we determine the cells? This segment you see are the composition of the cells. You can see we have how many segments here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the way it is. When you multiply this and this, it should be able to give you the actual wattage of this panel. So perhaps you see this panel broken. It simply means that the panel cannot generate the required wattage and the voltage will stop dropping. One of the disadvantages of broken panel is that in the rainy season, it will be causing short circuit, because you know that water is a conductor, though it is a poor conductor, but when it bridges the two terminals, it will begin to short circuit the panel, thereby making the panel not to generate the required voltage. So whenever you are choosing your panel, you have to make sure that what comes to the panel is actually what is rated in it. And in discovering this, you have to look at the panel physically. Seeing this as it is, you know if it is broken. As you can see, this panel is in order and they are not broken anywhere. I will show you the broken panel so that you'll be able to identify that this panel is okay and the broken panel is also not in order. And when this happens, it is one of the challenges we encounter in solar installation, that after your system is being installed, over time you discover that it is not functioning because the panels are broken. Per time, it may work at the initial time of installation, but as it continues to work, the efficiency of the panel will drop, therefore affecting the charges that is going to the battery, and in that particular area it affects the system and bring the collapse of the system completely. So for you to avoid those damages and also the delays and also the collapse of the entire system, what you do at the initial time of installation is to observe and know the efficiency of your panel and know also the state of health of your solar panel. As you can see, we have rollable solar panels, and that is the flexible and the one that is static like this. So the flexible ones also, you have to consider if it is broken in any way or if the cables are not in order before you can go on to do that. Follow me as I show you the broken ones. You will be able to dictate it yourself without someone telling you that this panel is bad. Or okay, let's go there now. So just like I said, as you can see, you see this panel now. Just like in this big panel, this particular one you are seeing now, it is in order, but this is a broken panel. From your eye view, you can see that this panel has cracks already. As it has the crack, it has the ability to allow the penetration of water or allow anything that can bridge these cells, that is the positive and the negative together. So when this kind of thing happens in your panel, instead of you combining it with other panels, all you need to do is to isolate it on time and ensure that you do not combine it, because if you do,